So we will do the proof of this integral formula. Here we have to prove that the integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx can be written as 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus of c. Now for this proof we have to understand three things. First thing, we are having the value as sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, and we are having sec square theta minus of tan square theta, that is equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus of cot square theta, that is also equal to 1. So here if you can see, we are having plus here, and if I will take only one variable, either sine theta or cos theta, for this value you will get the value as 1 minus cos square theta. This value can give you 1 plus cos tan square theta, and this value will give you 1 plus cot square theta, which means that if I will I will take the value of x in terms of either tan square theta or cot square theta, you will get the value as something like whatever with the variable that we want to find. So here you will write x is equal to a tan theta. Once you will write x is equal to a tan theta, you have to differentiate on both sides. You will write as dx is equal to a sec square theta, that is d theta, that we will write. And in numerator you will write the value as a sec square theta and d theta, that you have to write. And in denominator you will write a square tan square theta plus of 1, and here you will write like this, a and a will get cancelled, you will get the value as 1 by a, and from here you will get the value as sec square theta, and tan square theta plus 1 can be written as sec square theta and d theta. Sec square theta and sec square theta will get cancelled, you will get the value as 1 by a d theta, and you get the value as 1 by a multiplied with theta, because the integration of d theta will be equal to theta only, and you will write as theta by a plus c. And theta by a, theta can be written as tan inverse of x by a, and here you will get the value as 1 by a tan inverse x by a and plus of c. So this is the proof that you have to write whenever you have to ask what is the proof of 1 by x square plus a square dx. So you have to write it like this.